Hybrid cloud management includes Operations Orchestration, the industry-leading process orchestration and automation tool. Operations Orchestration includes over 8,000 out-of-the-box orchestration flows, which enable IT admins to automate any kind of complex process. Included workflows can be used to orchestrate many types of processes, perform operations like deploying and configuring operating systems, database, middleware, load balancers, web servers, and application servers. Included content for Chef, Puppet, Ansible, Git, Jenkins, and more. In this complex workflow example, compute, network, and storage resources are created on a public cloud platform. Global and local properties are exposed to help the end user customize the execution of the workflow. Automation engineers have the option to author the workflow using a YAML text model, enabling infrastructure as code. Easily create workflows using a simple drag-and-drop designer. Built-in debug capability allows the author to test the workflow before it is published. The workflow can be published to OO Central to later be used in the HCM service designer. These workflows act as building blocks for HCM service designs. Alternately, these HCM workflows can be executed independently using the OO Central portal, enabling any IT process automation use case. The OO portal tracks the overall ROI for all executed workflows. The ROI is calculated based on the individual automated step cost savings. To see how these orchestration flows can be used in HCM service designs, please watch the service design video.